I'm back from my honeymoon. I'm feeling very relaxed and I've got no idea what to do. So let's talk about that.
TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut. Wow, yeah, it's been a while. I've been off on my honeymoon and my wedding. I'm now a married man. I've been gone for a month, but you guys have had a video every week. Some of those videos have been speed arts, some have been tutorials, some have been like challenges, that sort of thing. But it was just sort of backlogged until I could return. And now that I have returned, I find myself in a dilemma. I've become so incredibly relaxed. I sat down to make a tutorial and had no idea what I wanted to make. So this is just a quick little video to say I am back. The channel is still alive. We are closing in on an incredible 100,000 subscribers. And to celebrate that, I wanted to give you guys a chance to tell me what you want, what videos you want, what tutorials you want, what, do you want like a Q&A? Do you want an AMA? Do you want just tutorial after tutorial, that sort of thing? Basically, I'm at a bit of a loss and I want you guys to help me out. In the comments below, just post what things you want to see from the channel. That can be motion graphics tutorials, that can be illustrator tutorials, that could be more artist challenges, that can be more vlogs. Anything you'd like to see, post in the comments below, and that will give me ideas for creating the videos over the coming months. I do have a couple of tutorials in mind that I am going to create. Motion graphics ones, some illustrator ones, things like that. Hopefully you'll see those over the next couple of weeks, and then over the coming weeks and months you'll start to see me handpicking some of the suggestions you guys make below and putting them to practice in some tutorials, which will be nice. Additionally, we are closing in on 100,000 subscribers, which I think it says we're going to hit on something like 9 or 10 days time. How should we celebrate that? How do you think we should celebrate hitting 100,000 subs? I'd like to do something crazy and get you guys involved. A bit like the Big 100 project we did a little while ago. Maybe get you guys to send something in. I can create like a big compilation video. I don't know. Anyone got any crazy ideas? I'd be willing to give them a go. I just can't believe that we've got there this fast or at all. Whatever. Wow. I am out of practice with this. I haven't made a video in about 2 months. So thank you very much for sticking around this long whilst I was completing my masters and doing my honeymoon and all this lovely relaxing stuff. Quick video to say thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Let's hit that 100k. Let's get some really good content up on the channel, and I want you guys to help me out with that. Give me your suggestions. Let me know what you think. Critiques are welcome as well. If you haven't liked the stuff that I've been putting up, let me know, but be constructive with it. And hopefully I'll start making some content that you guys really like and really want to engage with. So thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Feels good to be back. Let's hit that 100k, and I'll see you next time on another episode of TipTut.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.